Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing this Taste of Italy. It is the ham and mushroom tagliatelle. Let's give it a go, shall we? So there we go then, Taste of Italy from Iceland. We've got a tagliatelle, ham and mushroom and cheese. Nice carbonara thick sauce there, look at that. Lovely. It's all coated lovely. Got a nice big thick bits of ham in there, chunks of ham. Got mushroom in there as well. Let's get in there and see what it's all about. It's nice and hot. Try to burn myself. A little twiddle off. There we go. Ooh. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Oh, that's lovely and silky. It's lovely. Peppery, smoky, salty, mushroomy, cheesy. Oh, it's all them things. It looks like this Taste of Italy range from Iceland is a winner so far. Definitely buy that again. That's my review on this one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. I really do appreciate all your views and all that. And till the next video. Thank you.